Um, Today, now it's already crossed 12 in Singapore time, and therefore it is 21st May, Saturday. It's kind of late tonight, yeah, but I still want to do a live streaming before I go to sleep. Okay, so what's happening right now? Okay, let's start off with this. Okay, in fact, I just read an article about this guy. This guy is the, the CEO of Binance. Okay, so it's a cryptocurrency exchange, or it's a crypto currency platform. Okay, and this is the CEO of that crypto currency platform, Binance. And by the way, I'm not here to promote or advertise for Binance. Okay, so I have to make this clear to my audience. So in fact, I just read the headline. So the headline says in 2018, this guy, okay, or rather the platform Binance received 15 million tokens of Luna. Okay. Luna is actually a cryptocurrency which is linked to a stable coin. Right. And I'm not going to do a deep dive on stable coins and cryptocurrency. So we just read the headlines and just have a superficial understanding of the headline. All right. Because I don't think I have enough knowledge to do a deep dive into cryptocurrency and stablecoin. Okay, so let's just scratch the surface on this article. So it says in 2018, which was uh, more than slightly more than 4 years ago, Binance, this platform received 15 million tokens of Luna for its investment of $3 million. So basically, this platform, Binance, paid $3 million for 15 million tokens of Luna. Okay, so if you take out the calculator, 3 million or 15 million, so it's about 20 cents per token of Luna, right? So 3 divided by 15, right? So yeah, so it's about 20 cents per Luna paid, all right? And then at its peak in April this year is 2022, and the investment in stable coins reached a whopping $1.6 billion. So let me just do a calculation also. So the initial investment was the initial investment was $3 million. And at the peak in April this year, okay, these 3 million investments reached $1.6 billion. Okay, yes, you read it correctly. 1.6 billion. So 1.6 billion, we look at the calculator. 1.6 billion becomes 1,000, and then you just have to divide by 3 million. Okay, so yes, so basically, the initial investment of $3 million, okay, 533 times the initial investment, and reach 1.6 billion at one point in April this year. Okay, so when a stablecoin crash, okay, so but that was history. Okay, what is happening right now is stablecoin crashed to zero limits, and the tokens are not even worth $2,200 right now. Okay, so what this headline wants to tell us is the roller coaster nature of cryptocurrency. Okay, so let me just launch my PowerPoint. So it's actually easier for us to talk about. It's easier for me to illustrate my points using this PowerPoint. Okay, so it looks like it's better for me to launch the other one. This is the one. Okay, so by the way, I'm not a fan of cryptocurrency. All right, so I have to let you guys know my stand before I'm going to talk about. So basically, in 2018, so 3 million, okay, invested in Luna. Okay, and how many Luna? If 15 million. Okay, so 20 cent per Luna coin. Okay, and then at one point in April of 2021, okay, last year, this initial investment reached 1.6 billion. Okay, so that gives us you can take out 1600 by 15 million when you get the price of Luna. Okay, let me just launch my calculator. So 1600 by 5. Okay, $106. Yeah, it's dollars. Okay, per Luna. Okay, but now what happened? What's happening now? Now is 2022, and we are talking about May of 2022, and this initial investments, 50 million Luna coins, is only worth $2,200. Okay, and I guess by today, it should be less than $2,200. Okay, so you can do a. Okay, so it's, I would say close to it's close to zero. Okay, per Luna coin. Okay, so if you are to sketch a simple two-axis graph, okay, so this is the price of Luna. Yes, and then this is time. Okay, so let's start from 2018, then of course 2021, and then 2022. All right, so 20 cent per Luna coin. 20 cent is 20 cent is here, right? And then hit $106. This is crazy. Okay, probably I have to get the point here. Okay, or in fact it should be more than this, but I don't have enough space, so just to guess here. And then right now it's close to zero. So you were to sketch it just with these 3 points. So what do you have? Okay, you have a Eiffel Tower. Okay, I'm sorry if I spell Eiffel Tower wrongly. I will go and check it out. Okay, and make sure that I can spell Eiffel Tower correctly next time. Okay, but just bear with me. Okay, so this is the roller coaster nature of cryptocurrency. Okay, I'm not a fan of cryptocurrency, so I'm not going to do a deep dive into cryptocurrency because I don't think I have that expert knowledge. I don't have the expertise. So when it comes to something I have no expertise in, so I just stay away. Okay, it's fine. It's fine for me to stay away. Okay. Okay, let me just double check if my voice is recorded correctly or not. Okay, looks like it is. Okay, good then. All right. So yeah. So this is a very good a slide for you to understand the nature of cryptocurrency. Okay, so hopefully you make an informed and educated decision after this slide. Right. Next, So, and probably this guy is, okay, by the way, the CEO, I think he is doing fine because I think he's still a multi-billionaire at the moment. I'm not sure, but imagine the followers of the CEO. Imagine those who bought anywhere here, and here. Okay, imagine those kids or the followers of the binance CEO. Okay, into buying cryptocurrency, and in this case Luna. And I think the end result is a complete calamity for most of these guys. Okay, so please take this seriously when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency or any other investments. You have to make a informed and educated decision. Okay, do your due diligence. All right, don't just follow anybody. Okay, next, so let's look at what's happening in the stock market right now. Actually, yeah, something bad is actually happening in the stock market right now. Okay, and one of the stars of tonight's stock market show is definitely Tesla. Okay, so Tesla at the moment is actually 8% down. Okay, 8% down just for today alone. Okay, so what is happening to Tesla tonight? Okay, so so let me just get the chart out. Let me get the chart out. Probably a 5. No, not this. Let me just get the chart out. Let me see. I think this chart is good. And let me see if this chart is better. Okay, probably this chart is better. Okay, good. Let's just focus on just this part of the chart. Anyway, I have to crop out everything. Good. So let's just paste it here. Is this the one I want to paste my picture on? Yeah, I think this one is better, right? Okay, good. Let me just cut and paste it here. Okay, good. So in fact, I think we should pay more attention to Tesla here. Let's do it here. So during the March 2020 financial crisis, due to the global pandemic, so Tesla actually crashed here. Okay, and this crash is actually a very minor crash compared to the crash here. Okay, so the crash here happened in early last year. Okay, and this crash is actually very, very mild compared to the crash here. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is if you are a faithful investor in Tesla, I think you should be doing fine. Okay, if you have invested in Tesla from 2021 onwards. Okay, so if you invested, sorry, I should correct myself. If you have, probably I should use rate. Okay. So if you invested in Tesla before 2021, okay, I think you are still fine. Okay, you are still fine. Okay, when I say fine, doesn't mean you make a lot of money out of Tesla, but at least you won't get hurt that much. Okay, but if you invested Tesla somewhere here, okay, and right now Tesla I think is hovering at $653, okay, as of today, and right now when the market is still live, it's ongoing. So Yes, so it's a 50% drop from the peak. Okay, and the peak happened in end of 2021. All right, so in fact, Tesla has a lot of followers. The CEO of Tesla is definitely the very uh, 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 the very smart and popular guy, Elon Musk. Okay, so Elon Musk for the past several years has gathered a lot of attention, and subsequently he has gathered a lot of followers as well. So and by the way, Elon Musk, in my opinion, he's a very very smart guy, especially when it comes to marketing about himself. Okay, so but today, so what happened to Tesla is Elon Musk is actually getting into um, a scandal of some sort. Okay, I think it's a sex scandal or something. I did not really read into that article because I'm not a fan of Elon Musk and I don't have to be. So if you want to know more about Elon Musk or you want to know more what is happening to Tesla right now, go ahead and read the article. But I think there is this key message I want to uh, bring to my audience is I think a lot of people tend to link um, news and articles to the to the action of the stock price. Okay, I'm not too sure how much connected are these two variables, but in my honest opinion, I think the 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 link between these two variables um, is really just a guess. Okay, it's it has this spectrum of 0% correlation to this 100% correlation. So I'm not too sure where where it it lies in this case. Like the sex scandal um, of Elon Musk and this share price of Tesla today. Okay, I don't know where that correlation uh, index is. Okay, across this uh, spectrum right now. So I think it's very dangerous to assume that this piece of news is actually 100% correlated to the share price action today. Okay. By the way, the share price has dropped close to 8% at the moment. Okay. Yes. So I don't know. Okay. Please go and find out yourself. Okay. All right. So besides Tesla, I think something is actually brewing in the market right now. Okay, let's look at the major index S&P 500. Okay, so S&P 500 I think is officially in the bear market territory. Okay, why I say so? Let me just get this. Let me just get this chart out. Then you get to see why, and you get to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you hear some music in the background, yes, I'm playing some jazz music in the background. So hopefully the music is actually soothing while I'm speaking, and hopefully it's not too loud and it's too loud to hear my voice. Okay, it's not too loud until it masks my voice. Okay, so if you look at the S&P 500 index chart, right, I think what you can see is it hit a high of 4818. Okay, early 2022 or uh, end of 2021, and right now the S&P 500 index is 3836, right? Let me see. I think it's 336 now. Yes. about 3836. Okay, so if you do a calculation, then you get to see how many percent S&P has dropped since it hit the peak of 4818. So 4818. Okay, just focus on the whole number. Minus 3826 and divided by 4818. Alright, yeah. So at the moment, so the S&P 500 has dropped close to 21%. Okay, is okay, close to 21% since the peak in late 2021 or early 2022. Okay, so in stock market jargons, so anything beyond minus 20%. Okay, so anything beyond a 20% drop. So I use minus to indicate a drop instead of a gain. Okay, so anything beyond 20% drop is considered the market has entered a bear market. Okay, so this is just one of the technical terms you have to you will often hear from financial news. Okay, so officially S&P has entered a bear market. Okay, so so you must be thinking, so what, right? So what, right? So what now? Okay, so my strategy going forward is I will a bit, because I have been holding a substantial amount of stocks already. Okay, so I will not add to my existing portfolio as aggressive as I used to be during this market crash in March 2020. So just for your info, this March 2020 crash due to the pandemic peak to trough, means peak to the bottom. So in fact it has crashed close to a 40%. Okay, it had a close to 40% drop. Okay, so I'm not trying to say I'm expecting a 40% drop. I'm not expecting a 40% drop here. So let me just come up with the number. What if the 40% drop happened this time round? So 4818 times 0.6. So if the S&P 500 drop 40%, it should hit 2890. So 2890 is somewhere here. Or somewhere here. Okay, so this is the 2890 level. Okay, so I'm not trying to predict that it's going to have a 40% drop from the peak. Okay, but if 40% drop is going to happen, so I will say whatever gain here, okay, is going to be wiped out. Okay, so yeah, so these are the levels I will pay close attention to. These levels are not for me to do my trading, but it kind of acts like some guidepost, so for me to add on. Okay, add on my strategy. Okay, so yeah, I think today is a good section until today. Until here, so I hope you continue to support my channel if you really like it. So go ahead and share it with others if you find my channel is useful or beneficial. Okay, so thank you so much, and that's it. Bye bye. Stop
streaming, then